Smart Weapon Storage (SWS) are manufactured and distributed exclusively by Extra Code Semberhut, a global provider of fully modular high-density weapon storage systems to military and government agencies. As a system developer, all hardware and software was designed and developed in-house to cater for its up-to-date features and functionality. Smart Weapon Storage (SWS) has the versatility to store from small firearms to large weapons under the same system. Smart Weapon Storage combines fingerprints identification with real-time transactions recorded for monitoring purpose. It utilizes RFID, radio frequency identification, to track weapons, record all transactions and tracking of the weapons taken and returned status. The success of Extra Code Semberhut is highly attributed to years of product research and its dedicated staff, which ensures the manufacturing process, assembly and product quality assurance is well monitored. Missing guns has been a major issue throughout the world, and the need for intelligent smart weapon storage system to control the mass weapon storage and to eliminate the conventional old practices weakness. Introducing a better weapon control system for real-time transaction, remote monitoring, securing multiple weapons, multiple report analysts, and capable of storing almost all kinds of armed weapons. All weapons were embedded with RFID tag to identify each weapon and fingerprint identification to identify the user access level. The Smart Weapon Storage uses individual shutter locking mechanism to lock each weapon. This SWS comes with biometric fingerprint identification system to validate each user access permission level. After a valid fingerprint is detected, user's assigned slot will open and weapon can be accessed. Each weapon will be embedded with a radio frequency identification (RFID) tag to identify the owner of the weapon, and also individual slot lock location, which allows user to track weapon usage. It can also detect whether the weapon is in place or missing, time of the weapon is taken or returned, and also whether the weapon is in the correct slot assigned. If the weapon is in place in the wrong slot, the slot shutter will not close. The rifle rack model is designed for multi-weapon use, and this can be done by configuring the slot base using a different extender to adjust the height of the base to accommodate different weapons' length. In case there is an emergency, a release lever provides system manual override to release all weapons at once. The SWS software provides real-time transaction monitoring for all the events happen on the SWS rack. Alarm alert if there are any tamper and comprehensive report of user database, schedule weapons access, transactions of weapons taken and returned. Computerized event record to keep all the transactions and usage data of the system into the server software database, and multiply report with data filtering can be viewed through the software. The SWS software provides easy user registration by filling in user details, access level, and fingerprint registration. After that, weapons user can just simply put their weapons into the registered slot and start using. Multiple different SWS rack can interconnect using TCP, IP, LAN, or WAN network connection on one location. Each of this location can then link together to create multiple site remote monitoring using a single software. There is a built-in time scheduling function to control weapons taken on specific time set by the user. If the wrong time zone was detected by the system, it will reject the user's access until the correct time detected. If there is any alarm triggered on the rack, this SWS can activate other security systems such as closed circuit television, CCTV, alarm systems, or alarm spray for extra security. Other features include Durasalam to protect user from being forced or hijacked their weapons. There are currently two types of models available: multi-rifle rack and handgun rack. Rifle rack provides 10 rifles locking slots with adjustable base for different rifle models, and handgun racks provide 20 handgun drawer locking slots. Each rack comes with individual LED slot status to indicate slot open, close or error, and RFID reader located in between weapons divided to detect whether correct weapons placed, taken, misplaced, or missing.